Hello everyone, this is Tarot's Galaxy 1111. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do the monthly reading for the sign of Taurus. Okay, Sun, Moon, and Venus rising sign of Taurus. Okay, so what are the messages for the Taurus for the October 2020? So these are the general readings. It may or may not be resonating with each and everyone. And if the reading it doesn't matching with you, then please check out your Sun, Moon, and Venus rising sign. Okay. Message for the Taurus, Sun, Moon, and Venus rising Taurus for the October 2020 regarding love and career. Please, universe, give us the messages for the Taurus, Sun, Moon, and Venus rising sign of Taurus. Wow. We will pull one more card. What are the messages for the Taurus, Sun, Moon, and Venus rising sign of Taurus for the month of October 2020? Please, guys, universe, let me know. Okay. Wow. Very nice. Okay. So I will arrange them like this. Okay. So for the Taurus, there is some business offer, business proposal, or the some opportunity in the finances or in marriage proposal. See, bottom of the deck is the Six of Cups. Okay. So Six of Cups. Okay. So in the October 2020, you will get the offer of career regarding career. You may be hired for some good authority position, or business proposal is it might be coming into your way in the October 2020, and I'm able to see that message will come to you in the starting of October. Okay, and there are strong chances that this offer might be from your past soulmate. This is the past life soulmate card. Okay, so some the past friend, okay, or might be past life soulmate connection, it might be strongly there. Okay, so they might be written in your life, and they are giving you some matter financial offers, or some stable offers like marriage, commitment. Okay, because pentacles also shows the family and commitment, and but it is a slow moving energy, even though, but still you will get the offer. Okay, then the card of 10 of cups. So this offer is going to be fulfill your family life, your work life. Okay, means whatever work you are going to put, as you receive this offer from the from that person, this will lead into your family happiness. Okay, and wish fulfillment. Okay, so these are strongly chances that you will get some beneficial result, or for some of you those this message are resonating with the family. So some past person is your ex, or maybe the past life soulmate, the lovers card again, and the Six of Cups. This person might be older than you. Okay, and they are ready to give you the cup of love. They are giving you the gift. It might be without any reason, but still they want to give you the gift of happiness, or if any function is there for that. Okay, and the lovers card is this connection is the destiny. Okay, there are two major arcana in your reading, that the Emperor and the Lovers. So this lovers card shows that you have the choices. Okay, one person will be new, and one person from your past life soulmate connection. This might be in the past lifetime, or it might be in your current life, but it is your ex. Okay, that person might be your ex. So the lovers is the you this card shows us the you have the choices. even though you have choices, and that person may be your twin flame or soulmate. I am able to see this strongly, because see, there is a number of 4 and there is a number of 6 which are mirroring each other. So this person is very strong and authority position, and that person may be Aries strong in their chart. Okay, that person is very wise, even though they are in young at age, but still they are very wise, because they have lot of experience in their world, in their life. They have learned lot of lessons in their life. Okay, and they has been learned their lessons very wisely, and now they are applying their knowledge in every aspect of their life. Okay, so this person is very authority position. The emperor is the king of all the kings. Okay, this person might be the empire. This person has been build strong empire behind them, or in their life. Okay, so that they are ready to give you the opportunity of your they are giving you the offer of love, commitment. And some of you, your family is searching this person for you. Okay, and again you have one past person also. Okay, and that person has very good this person might be, I am feeling that this person might be in politics, or some authority position. They have some business, family business, or some army, navy. Okay, kind of thing. They are in high authority figure in the army or navy. Okay, but this person is ready to give you the cup of love. Okay, you will meet this person in the October 2020, or some of you has been might be meet this person in some before, means starting of the October only, or some of you will meet this person in the middle or the late October. Okay, so this person might be the your past life soulmate, means your past life connection. You has been spent lot of times together. Okay, so this person is destined with you, to be with you. Okay, and they have their purpose to grow your family with the kids, and 10 of cups, and the rainbow is here. Okay, so new beginnings in the career, regarding in the finance, regarding, or in the marriage or love regarding, is going to come into your way in the October 2020. Okay, so this is the very good news for you. And this person might be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or the Gemini, Libra, very strongly the Gemini, Aries or Gemini, because the lovers card is the Gemini, and this the emperor is the Aries, or Aries or Gemini may be strong in their chart. Okay, so you will be ready to receive this offer, but some of you might be getting two offers. One, the past soulmate is going to come into your life again, and because there is the planet positions are going on, so because of the retrogrades also, the past person are going to come back into everyone's life. So this might be there. Okay, not for all of you, but for some of you it might be there. Okay, so, or if the past life soulmate is not there, then it is the person, uh, your soulmate, in the sense you has been studied together, you has been grown up together, but for some time you was apart from each other, because of some reasons, because of some family reasons. Okay, so you will come together in the October 2020. Okay, and they are ready to give you the pitch. This offer might be the small offer. Okay, startingly, initially, but there are chances that this connection will grow. Okay, this connection will grow, and go to the family level also. And this is the twin flame soulmate journey. Okay, and this connection has the chances of to bring the happy family. Okay, right now the energy is like this only. Okay, so you have to take a choice. Okay, so I will pull some advice cards for you in from the unicorns decks. Okay, please unicorns, let us know what are the messages, advices, guidance for the sun, moon, and Venus rising sign of Taurus. Okay, Archangel Michael, prosperity, dignity, and Archangel Uriel. Okay, so um, the prosperity is flowing towards you, so be open to receive it. See, I told you, the business offer, the money offer, means the career offer, opportunities are going into your life. Okay, and this will give you the lot of prosperity, abundance. Okay, some of you, some people are getting the money from the heritage, inheritance. Okay, from your father, from your grandparents. Okay, in this month, but you have to be receptive for that. Okay, you have to be receptive because this is your guidance. You have to be receptive. See, 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 is the divine number, so divine is giving you lot of abundance, but you should be in the receptive mode. Okay, you just have to be like this, spread your arms and be receptive for the happiness. Okay, some of you, for those, the prosperity in the sense of love prosperity, abundance, or in the money prosperity. Okay, then the Archangel Uriel, again 3 and 7. 3 is the creation and the 7 is the divine number, divine timing. Okay, use the sword of truth to help the world. Whatever the situation are currently in your right now, or whatever the if some of you, the past person is coming into your way, and whatever the miscommunication, misunderstanding has been happening in between both of you. Okay, so angels are giving you the guidance. You should be truthful. Okay, you should be, in the sense, you should be use the sword of truth to help the world. Okay, because your truth is serving the lot of purposes for the world. Okay, even though right now you are not seeing that your one sentence, your one statement is going to be very essential, will play the very vital role in the both of your lives, and ultimately for the world. Okay, for, and even though it is for the love connection, or even it is for the career opportunities, but angels are guiding you to use the sword of truth to help the world, because in the October 2020 there are chances that you will be in the situation that you have will you have two choices, that one is manipulative, one is the very truth. Okay, but truth is very harsh. Always truth is harsh. So angels are guiding you, rather than manipulating the situation, use the sword of truth to help the world. Okay, and ultimately you are helping yourself only. Okay, then the card is the dignity. Dignity shows the hold your head up high and know the unicorns are supporting you. Okay, so again the same message, 6 and 7. Prosperity is coming to you and you should be receptive. So you should be receptive like this. Okay, you should be receptive, because you just have to be hold your head up and high, and no unicorns are supporting you, because unicorns are there, angels are with you, universe is with you. See the yellow. Okay, so universe is also with you, but you have to be receptive. Okay, then the Archangel Uriel, become a peace ambassador. Okay, whatever the situation in the October 2020, it might be for some of you very tricky, and you are coming out of the financial crisis, or you are in the twin flame soulmate journey. I know this is not the easy journey, but still the angels are just telling you, become a peace ambassador, be quiet. Okay, you just have to be you just have to maintain your peace. Okay, because your peaceful vibrations, I think you are able to see the spare. Okay, there is a spare around this. Okay, so there is a spare. Okay, whatever the peaceful vibration within you are going to be spread in the surroundings. Okay, in your surroundings. Okay, so you just have to be peaceful. Okay, because your peaceful vibrations will bring you the lot of so your peaceful vibrations is going to be spread in the atmosphere, in the surroundings. Okay, there are unicorns, birds, okay, nature, and the people around you, and this will ultimately help you to level up your vibrations and give you, and be you in the receptive mode to take a lot of abundance from the world. Okay, from the universe, from the unicorns. Okay, so you just have to be hopeful, hope for the betterment, and I am not able to see right now any negative card over here. So This is very, don't be scared, don't be afraid, and don't be very anxious. Okay, it is going to be very nice. This month is going to be very nice. Okay, so wish you all the best, and please give me the like, share and subscription. If the messages are resonating with you, then please let me know in the comment section, and I will meet you in the next video. Okay, bye bye, take care.